Varuni from Varuni's Firefly Blinks. For those of you who have joined me for the first time, who are watching my content for the first time, if you like my content, do give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. I post DIY videos on new creative designs and new jewelry ideas every Wednesday to Thursday and every Sunday to Monday. These are the broken parts of my keychain. As you can see, this is what I am left with. All the broken parts were lying down. I am going to be changing this into a brand new keychain with all the things I have with me. I have this box of various components and I have something in mind which I will use. This was a very subtle keychain which I had earlier. I am going to convert this into a new blingy keychain. I love blingy keychains for my cupboard and I keep on changing them. And today I am going to show you how I do that. As you can see, this is a tarnished keychain. It is in silver. I am going to the market to see if I get something in gold. If not, then I'll convert this itself into something new. This is the old keychain which I want to change into my new keychain. I did not get the gold one, but I got this nice pretty flower design which I will convert into a very pretty blingy chain. So let's go ahead. I have these are my rings. So I have these components, some beads. So since this is a combination of silver and rust color, I would prefer to go in for something which matches this design as well as this combination. It has to sync. So I will look for something which goes with this rust color. So I have this bead box and I have these big beads. I am seeing which goes with my. These are some beads which may. I'll just take out all the beads and see finally which one is the best suited among all. These are really nice. I really like these. Lots of sparkle and gloss. Lots of sheen, as you can see. So pretty. So I think I'm going to be using this with this. Not this because it's a bit tomatoey and this is a bit orangey. So yes, I'm going to use this. And a little bit of silver maybe. This is also very interesting. I like this one, so I will take this along with these, and this is my findings box. I need some jump rings, some pins. That's it. So now let's go ahead and start with the keychain. So this is what I really wanted, a blingy keychain matching with all the bling and the clink to it. You can hear all the clink. I love this. Now finally I just need to add my keys to this chain. So that's what I'm going to do. I will see you next Thursday with a new creative idea and a new video. Till then, you take care. Bye-bye.